Hello and welcome to our channel where we explore the latest in tech. Today, we've got something special for you. So how would you like to start a career in cybersecurity? Well, you're in the right place. Cybersecurity has become one of the most important aspects of technology. As our reliance on technology grows, so do the threats that come with it. But don't worry, because in this video, we will be guiding you through everything you need to know about cybersecurity and how to get started. We'll be answering some of the most common questions, like what is cybersecurity, why should you start a career in cybersecurity, and how to get started. So make sure to watch till the end. But before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on any of our latest videos. Now without further ado, let's jump right into it. What is cybersecurity? Let's start with the basics. What exactly is cybersecurity? In simple terms, cybersecurity refers to the practices, technologies, processes used to protect computer network and systems from digital attacks. These attacks often aim to access, change, or destroy sensitive information and can disrupt the availability of services. Cybersecurity is a broad term that encompasses various aspects of protecting data and systems from unauthorized access, use, disclosure, disruption, modification, or destruction. It involves a combination of technical measures such as firewalls and encryption, as well as non-technical measures like employee training and data backup. Now that we have an understanding of what cybersecurity is, let's explore why it is such a critical field. Why cybersecurity? Consider these alarming statistics. According to a recent survey, there was a 43% increase in cyber attacks in the last year alone. Another report states that a successful cyber attack occurs every 11 seconds. These figures underscore the pressing need for skilled professionals who can safeguard our digital assets. Now you might be wondering, why should you choose cybersecurity as your career path? Well, here are a few compelling reasons. Firstly, high demand. The field of cybersecurity is currently experiencing a surge in demand for qualified professionals. According to Glassdoor, the number of open cybersecurity jobs has increased by over 30% in the last 2 years. This translates into a multitude of job opportunities for aspiring cybersecurity experts. Secondly, job security. Given the escalating cyber threats worldwide, jobs in the cybersecurity sector enjoy a high level of job security. As organizations prioritize the protection of their sensitive information and systems, they are more likely to retain and invest in cybersecurity professionals, even during economic downturns. Thirdly, diverse opportunities. A career in cybersecurity offers a wide range of opportunities across various sectors and industries. Whether you are interested in ethical hacking, penetration testing, risk management, or incident response, there is a niche within cybersecurity that caters to your interests. Fourthly, competitive salaries. Professionals in the field of cybersecurity are generally compensated with attractive salaries. Alright, now that we've established the importance of cybersecurity and the benefits of a career in this field, it's time to discuss how you can get started. So without further ado, let us dive into the steps you can take to embark on your journey to becoming a cybersecurity professional. Step 1. Learn the basics. Before diving into the deep end, it's essential to learn the basics of cybersecurity. This step will provide you with a strong foundation to build upon. Fortunately, there are numerous resources available to help you get started. One great option is to enroll in an online course. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, edX offer beginner-friendly courses that introduce core cybersecurity concepts, principles, and best practices. These courses provide a structured learning experience and allow you to learn at your own pace. Some recommended courses include Introduction to Cybersecurity by Johns Hopkins University on Coursera, the Complete Cybersecurity course by Udemy, and Introduction to Cybersecurity by Harvard University on edX. Step 2. Get certified. Obtaining certifications can significantly boost your credibility and demonstrate your expertise to potential employers. These certifications serve as a way to validate your skills and knowledge in the field of cybersecurity. To kickstart your certification journey, consider pursuing the CompTIA Security Plus. CompTIA, which stands for Computing Technology Industry Association, is a leading provider of information technology certifications. The CompTIA Security Plus is an entry-level certification that covers a wide range of topics including threat and risk management, security architecture and engineering, and compliance and operational controls. Passing this exam demonstrates your proficiency in core cybersecurity concepts and can open doors to various opportunities. Step 3. Hands-on experience. Theoretical knowledge is important, but practical hands-on experience is equally crucial in the field of cybersecurity. Gaining hands-on experience will help you apply the knowledge you have acquired and develop essential skills. One effective way to achieve this is by using online platforms that offer cybersecurity labs and simulations. Two popular platforms in this space are Hack the Box and TryHackDem. These platforms provide virtual environments where you can practice your cybersecurity skills in a safe and controlled setting. They offer a variety of challenges, ranging from beginner to advanced levels, allowing you to gradually build your expertise. For instance, Hack the Box provides users with virtual machines to exploit and defend against attacks, while TryHacking offers interactive tutorials and challenges. Engaging with these platforms will help you develop practical skills, such as ethical hacking, penetration testing, and incident response. Step 4. Join a community. Joining a cybersecurity community can provide you with numerous benefits as you start your career. Connecting with like-minded individuals can offer support, guidance, and valuable insights into the field. Firstly, engaging with professionals in the field can provide you with real-world perspectives and advice. By joining cybersecurity communities, you can interact with experienced practitioners who can share their insights and best practices. They can offer guidance on navigating the job market, interview processes, and career progression in cybersecurity. Secondly, communities can keep you updated with the latest trends and developments in the field. Cybersecurity is constantly evolving, and staying current with the latest trends and technologies is crucial. Communities often have dedicated channels or forums for sharing news, resources, and updates. By actively participating, you can stay informed about the latest cybersecurity threats, vulnerabilities, and solutions. Finally, communities can also provide a platform for collaboration and networking. Working on projects or participating in group discussions can help you build valuable connections that could lead to job opportunities or mentorship. Many communities organize meetups or events that provide in-person networking opportunities. Step 5. Stay updated. In the ever-evolving field of cybersecurity, staying updated with the latest trends and developments is crucial. Failing to keep up with advancements in technology and cyber threats can leave you vulnerable to risks. Therefore, it's important to allocate time each day to catch up on the latest happenings in the cybersecurity world. One effective way to stay updated is by subscribing to relevant blogs and news sources. Several reputable organizations publish regular updates on cybersecurity threats, vulnerabilities, and best practices. By subscribing to their feeds, you can ensure that you receive timely alerts and in-depth analysis. Some recommended blogs include the SANS Institute, Krebs on Security, and 3Twire. Additionally, consider following industry-specific publications to stay informed about cybersecurity issues relevant to your field. Moreover, following influential individuals in the cybersecurity space on social media platforms like Twitter can provide valuable insights and updates. Many experts share their knowledge and opinions on various cybersecurity topics, making it a great way to expand your understanding. Furthermore, attending webinars and podcasts can be incredibly beneficial. Numerous organizations host webinars on cutting-edge cybersecurity topics and invite industry experts as speakers. Similarly, podcasts offer a convenient way to learn while multitasking. Tune into podcasts such as Darknet, The Cyber Geeks, and Security Edition to gain insights from discussions between cybersecurity professionals. By incorporating these practices into your daily routine, you can stay informed about the latest developments in the field and enhance your cybersecurity knowledge. And there you have it, folks. These are just the basic steps to get you started on your journey to becoming a cybersecurity professional. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and remember to stay safe online.